This is how you do an Instagram reel in summer 2023. You go here on the plus and you select reel. You can film within the app, or you can use a video you already have by swiping up. In this case, I'm going to swipe up and I'm going to use this video of the little duck. And I'm going to add it. Now I have a video. You can add sound, filters, stickers, or text. For sound here, you click here and you can access, you can do a voiceover, save audio that you have saved previously from other reels, and then you'll be able to control your sound. So I'm going to go right into save and add a music I've saved. Okay, this is my music. I'm also talking in this video, so I want the music to be lower and be able to hear my voice. So in order to do that, you go in sound again and you go into controls. I'm going to put me talking higher up and this as a background, music. Done. Okay, music is taken care of. What if I want to have the captions, what I'm saying, showing as text on my video? You go on stickers and then you're going to click on captions. The captions are going to be auto-generated, so it's a good idea to edit them in case there's some mistakes. You can change the format of the text. Now it's this one coming up, and the color here as well. So what I'm going to do is go here, and what you see, you can find here, I find a mistake, so you can tap and edit your text that way. So you go on and edit all the mistakes of your text. When you're done, you click done and done again. Now you're going to have your captions are going to show up that you have edited. Okay, what if you want to move this? You can decide to move it around with your fingers and so on. Here you can add text. So I'm going to put a piece of text that it's going to say video of a cute duck, and this is going to be my part 1 of text, just so you can see. I can change the text color, and then I'm going to see if I wanted to have another piece of text. So I want to have this here. Now I want this. If I had another piece of text, I keep adding the text. I would say text number 2. I'm just going to put here, the duck is flying. Done. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color as well and put it over there. So now what do I have? I have my captions, I have my 2 pieces of text. What if I want to add a little pop-up photo or image? You go here again in your stickers and you can click here, all sorts of things. You can click here on an image and then you tap on it to change it. So that could be my image here. So what do I have? I have captions, I have some text, and I have my little image. What if I want to edit all that so that the text comes, text 1, text 2, and then the image? You go down here to edit video, and this is where all the magic appears. You go into edit video, and Instagram gives you a bunch of options for editing your video. If you have somewhat of a long video, sometimes it's hard to see everything, so you can pinch things to see it all. So this is my video. Now I say, okay, I have my sticker, which is my photo, my caption, and my 2 texts. I want text 1 to come, text 2, and then the photo. So I'm going to go to my first piece of text and I'm going to have it come at the beginning. Then I'm going to have my other piece of text coming here, and then I'm going to have my little photo coming here. Okay, so maybe I'll put it a bit longer so we don't something like that. If you wanted to add clips, add images, you can do so by clicking here, selecting more photos, more images, and then let's see. Now my whole video is going to be playing with my duck one, the text, and then my little image is going to pop up in the corner. Okay, last, you want to go edit cover and you pick a nice image and you check it on your profile grid. So let's see this profile grid. Is that going to be okay? like this because that's going to show up on your grid, and then you can write your caption here. So this is where you would write the text. The text is going to show on your Instagram feed as the caption, but when people watch the reel, they're not going to see it. Once they click like just the full reel, they're not going to see it. But you still put your text, you can do everything, hashtag, tag people, you can go location and so on. One last thing I want to show you is in advanced settings here, you can save as a draft and go back to it. If you don't have time to finish it, sometimes it takes time, save as a draft. Keep in mind that if you're playing with caption and text, sometimes when you save as a draft, it gets glitchy. So always review caption text, make sure it's doing okay, it's being saved properly. And in advanced setting, which is interesting here, is that you can decide to schedule your reel for a future time. So this gives you the option to schedule your reel right in Instagram or to